When a U.S. person, such as a U.S. citizen, lawful permanent resident, or foreign national who meets the substantial presence test, has foreign accounts, assets, and investments, they may be required to file different international reporting forms. Some of the forms you may be familiar with: FBAR, Form 8938, Form 3520, 5471, etc. So what happens if the taxpayer doesn't file the form timely? Well, depending on the luck of the draw, taxpayer may receive fines and penalties from the IRS, but it's important to note that even if they receive penalties, and even if they don't, as a proactive or a defensive measure, taxpayer may be able to prove to the IRS that they acted with reasonable cause and not willful neglect. If the taxpayer is able to prove they acted with reasonable cause, then typically they can't be penalized at all, and any penalties that were issued should be abated or waived. It's important to note that while it's technically supposed to be objective, reasonable cause has some hint of subjectiveness to it, because what may be considered objective reasonable cause to one IRS examiner may not be the same for another. So it does kind of depend on your facts and circumstances and who reviews the matter at the IRS.